Construct parallel box plots for the data in the stem and leaf and make comparisons. Now we've seen this data before, so I have some of the values to hand. So straight away we can see that the smallest value is 68, and then from doing this before, the lower quartile was 70, the median was 76, the upper quartile was 88, and we can see that the highest value is 110. And then if we look at the after, the smallest value we can see is 86. From before, the lower quartile was 90, the median was 98, the upper quartile was 104, and the highest value we can see is 146. But note that one is an outlier. So the largest value without that was actually 124, and we're going to indicate the outlier on our diagram. So if I start here at 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, and this actually goes up to about 143, and we've got 146, so I stupidly didn't give myself a big enough piece of graph paper. We'll just deal with that for now. So if I do the before along this line, and I'll do the after along this line, and again, not cleverly, I've actually written those exactly where I need to plot that point that goes off of the side there. So let's just erase that, and I'll write them a bit further over. So that's a before, and that's an after. So before 68, so that's going to put us about there. Then 70 for the lower quartile, then 76, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's quite hard to see the squares, so if I don't get them exact, don't worry too much about it. 88 is going to be about there, and then we've got a highest of 110. That's a nice easy one to see. So let's draw the box plot. I'll just get my straight line tool out so I can draw a nice straight box. And then the median goes across the middle like that. So that's the before. And then the after, so we start at 86, which is about here. And we go up to 124 if we don't include the outlier in the actual box plot. So, and then the 146, as I said, it would just be off the side here. We can indicate that separately, that there's an outlier there. The 90, then we've got a 98, which is just here, and we've got 104, which is about there. So put the stalks on at each end, and then we'll draw the boxes. And put the median across. And then there's various things that we can comment on from there. We can comment on the fact that we've got an outlier. We can work out the range. We can work out the interquartile range for each diagram. We can compare the position of the medians, and so on.